Changing packaging specs on Q30. Tap Stop on the touchscreen. Step to change the bags. Press the bag clamp button and remove old bags. Place the new stack of bags. Adjust the side guides to secure the bags. Press the bag clamp button to lock them in. Step 3. Select Packaging Specifications. Tap the class number and select your product type. Step 3. Select Packaging Specifications. Tap the class number and select your product type. Select the desired target weight. A confirmation window appears. If the selection is wrong, tap Cancel. Select again and tap Confirm if correct. The screen returns to the main menu. The lifting mechanism adjusts automatically, waiting for the conveyor height to adjust. Once the adjustment message disappears, tap Start to resume operation. Now the machine runs with the new settings.